let's start with the pumpkin parmigiana. I have this tomato sauce that I did with peeled seeded tomatoes, and I cooked it for about 40 minutes, and I crushed it with this potato masher.
Love it. I do the same.
Do you? Good. And then I
love the potato masher.
I strained some of this extra virgin olive oil into the sauce. And what I did is I treated this oil like a tea. And inside that extra virgin olive oil, I have garlic, basil, crushed red pepper, and I just cooked it at a really, really low temperature to extract those flavors into that oil. It's
so really clever. Beautiful.
Yeah, and it smells so good also. All right, so
beautiful. I love that technique. I'm gonna start using that. That's great, Scotty. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear
Brilliant.
That. Thank you. So here in this pan, I have some pumpkin that I've sliced, and I just want to show you how thinly I've sliced it. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. And what I've done is I've just layered it just like this, kind of shingled in this pan.
Beautiful. So just a sugar pumpkin, Scotty, just a regular, like, leftover from Halloween sitting in your backyard pumpkin.
That's the best part about it, is it's a true utilization of all your products, right? You made a jack-o'-lantern, it's sitting around, hopefully it hasn't rotted. Big dinner. So we're just layering it just like that. And then on top of it, of course, I put some fresh basil. And I do my Rachael Ray technique, of course, with the basil that I put in Ziploc bags over it.
You're too kind. You're too kind.
That's my dog barking in the background. All right, so that, you get the gist. I put a little tomato sauce here on top.
Beautiful.
And then some Parmesan cheese. And really, you go a little heavy on that.
It's so simple. It's so simple. And, I think people that go to Italian American restaurants a lot, and it's super delicious, are used to seeing Parmigianas always done with cutlets or breaded food, eggplant or chicken or veal, heavily breaded. But the actual dish, right, is just grilled or layered fresh eggplant, or in this case, pumpkin, with sauce and actual Reggiano cheese. So this is a very healthy dish too, right?
Exactly. So I'm going to take this out of the oven. I put this in and I cooked it at 325 for 30 minutes, and then I covered with aluminum foil, and I let it finish roasting. I'm just going to take it out, top it with a little olive oil and a little bit of fresh basil. I'm going to cut a corner piece here. This is just, look at the way
look at that. Wow.
It
gorgeous.
Is delicious as it looks. Put a little more parm on here. Just
beautiful.
Right?